Virtual Assemblies. I just want to say thank you so much for having me. My name is Sophia Rankin. I am a 20-year-old singer-songwriter. I am a senior at the University of Arizona, and I've been performing for about 6 years now. And I'm just so honored to be on this video just to talk to you guys about a word that I think is very important, especially during this time, and that is honesty. I think there are so many different kinds of honesty that we could talk about, but today I want to focus on honesty with yourself. And the reason for that is I think, especially in times like this, we struggle to tell the people we love what we're going through or what we're feeling because we think that our problems are smaller than everything else that's going on in the world right now. And that is completely untrue. Everything that you feel, especially right now, is so relevant, and it takes a great amount of courage to admit that honesty. Back when I was in high school, I told my parents that I had been struggling with self-love and, feeling confident in myself and having some very dark thoughts. And that is something that, to whatever degree you're feeling that, you need to look for help, whether that's with friends, if that's with family, if that's professional help. Reach out to someone because those thoughts are valid and those thoughts are scary and you're not alone. So reach out to people and just know that you have people that are there that want to help you and take care of you. When I was going through that time, something that I've always turned to is music. And I ended up writing a song that kind of just encapsulated all of those feelings into one thing. And I called it Consequences. And I also I called it The Ride. So it's got two names, and they're both together in one of the albums that I released last year called Solace. And the reason I called it those two things is Consequences was kind of the darker side of my honesty, of knowing what the consequences would be if I indulged those thoughts or if I didn't get help. But The Ride is also kind of, you've got to ride the wave to get to your high again. So it's dealing with those emotions and being able to talk with them and being honest, not only with your friends and the people you love, but also with yourself, and knowing what you need to do to put yourself first, whether it's your mental health, your emotional health, or anything. And that's what this song is about. So I hope whatever you're going through, you know that you're not alone, and you have the courage to admit the honesty of what you're feeling. So this is called Consequences. Staring off the edge to the point where I would break. Drink another drink inside in hopes that it will take. Tried hard to hide it, but I am wearing thin. I'm sorry that you saw how I couldn't stand to live. Wanna know my secrets and tell them to the world. Go ahead and don't hold back, let them all unfurl. You'll see how little anyone would care to hear these screams and these fatal dreams as cancerous as fear. And are you ready for a show? Couldn't let them know I break, I try, I don't let them see me cry. If I do, I'm worth nothing here inside. I'm just here for the ride. Yeah. Paint on a smile with Revlon, Maybelline will hide the scars. Take it off before you sleep with demons at the bar. Whisper insecurities into the devil's ear. He'll sing you lullabies till darkness appears. And are you ready for a show? Couldn't let them know I break, I try, I don't let them see me cry. If I do, I'm worth nothing here inside. I'm just here for the ride. And ooh, so much for watching. Thank you for letting me be a part of this. Take care of yourselves out there.